Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a monogram template and make the cut. I'm going to do File, Import, Pixel Trace, and I'm going to use this cheetah print that I downloaded from Google. Now Make the Cut has already traced it, so I'm just going to import and finish. Now I'm going to go to the basic shape window and I'm going to find a circle. So I'm going to make the circle the size I would want to make my template, which would be about 5 inches. And then I'm going to right click and do Shape Magic and do a shadow layer. And you can make it to the size you would like your border to be. So I'm going to go with that size and accept. Now I need to make a copy of my middle, so I'm going to do copy and then the clipboard with the green arrow so it all stays the same, and paste. And I'm just going to set that aside. And I'm going to come over here and select both circles, right click, Shape Magic, and click Join. Okay, now I'm going to come back to the circle that we copied and my cheetah print, and I'm going to select both of them and right click. And I'm going to go to Shape Magic, Boolean Join, and I'm going to do the intercept and apply. Now you can see it's turned my circle into the cheetah print. Now this is the exact size to fit right in, which we want it to be a little bit bigger so we can put them together. So I'm going to just drag it a tiny bit and bring it back over and line it up to where it's kind of centered. And now I'm going to select both pieces and I'm going to Shape Magic, and this time we want to use Weld. Now we have our cheetah welded to our border that we made. So now I'm going to go back to the shape window and get my circle again. This time I'm going to make a small circle and bring it in and line it up in the center of the design. And I'm going to select both and right click and Shape Magic, Boolean Join, and I want the A from B difference, and apply. Now as you can see, we've got our cheetah design center and our solid border with our empty spot to add monogram letters or whatever you would like to insert in the middle of your design. So now we're just going to right click and we'll give it some color by doing change color, select, and we'll make it orange. Now you have your template ready to go. You could send to your cutter or right click and export, and you can save it as SVG, vector, EPS, to send to whatever cutter or program you need for your designs. Hope this has helped. Thanks for watching.